Did you get a chance to look at the land?
Yes, I just surveyed it.
Okay, good. Well, I have a meeting tomorrow with a potential investor.
That's wonderful news.
It sure is. So tell me, how's work?
Well, it's here, not going anywhere.
And nothing exciting to report?
Well, not exciting, but more heart-wrenching.
What?
The minister that lost his baby mother and child. They found burned remains this morning and they suspect it's her and the baby.
Really? Damn. That's sad.
Sad is an understatement. The only light in this situation is that they have about 4 people in custody.
Why? Some head have to go roll for this.
I agree. An example must be made of these senseless killings. I'd love to be on this case.
Celine, you're a personal secretary, not a police. Look, the law will handle that.
I know. I'm just saying, if I were in law enforcement, then I'd definitely bring the perpetrators to justice.
I understand that. I realize you're a very passionate person.
Maybe a little bit passionate.
No, it's not a bad thing.
Okay.
You just have to know what to do with the passion.
Alright, so how is your boss?
Still on sabbatical. He's not back in office yet.
Not Marcus, your new boss.
I don't have a new boss.
So what is Maxine Grant?
Exactly. What is Maxine Grant? Not who.
Celine, that's not kind.
I wasn't trying to be.
I take it you
Two not getting along.
And we're never going to.
She can be a handful.
You should know.
Really, Celine? That's a low blow.
No, it's not. The fact that you didn't answer my question the last time proves there is something between you two. Bartender can tell me, no?
Look, we were acquaintances, but then she got a bit... You know what? I don't want to discuss this over the phone. Yeah, when I get back, we can talk about it.
It's not that important. Anyway, how are you doing? Is it getting cold there?
Yeah, the weather changing a bit.
And you are staying warm?
Yeah.
Carry things up up.
Paddle? That's a stone, right?
You got jokes.
Carlton, I'll call you back. The witch doctor is there, okay? Later.
Cunningham, do you work inside or outside of the office?
I work inside the office, Dr. Grant. I just came outside for some fresh air and I got a call.
I've been calling the office line for the last 30 minutes. So you're telling me you've been on that call for all this time?
That's a gross exaggeration. I've been outside for 15 minutes.
So you're calling me a liar?
I didn't say that.
Listen to me carefully so I don't have to repeat myself. If you want a 15-minute break, you take that when you go on your lunch break. Outside of that, you are on government time. And that should not be wasted on frivolous conversations. Do you understand?
Yes.
Maybe I need to show you a copy of the document that places me in this position. Remember, I am deputizing for the minister, which means I have the power that he has at the moment. So that gives me the right to fire you if you are being insubordinate. Remember that.
I will.
Now, if you don't mind, could you go inside and get that position ready that I asked you to do almost a week ago?